Hello my all the English learners, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghvanshi. And if you literally want to escalate your English speaking, enhance your English, evolve your English, improve your English, polish your English and shape your English, so please try to watch this video till the very end, because in this video definitely I am gonna share something that can literally help you to implement your English in best possible way. And the thing is that what you need to do in your initial stage if you started from the scratch. So first of all, think about the biggest obstacle in your way. So the obstacle in the sense like the block on your way that is stopping you to take a step ahead. And the after just thinking about that fear and obstacle, definitely you will find, means whatever your fear is, don't worry about it, because if we are going to learn anything new in our life, so definitely we will face problem and hindrance. And you know one thing guys, these problems and obstacle always making us strong to move forward with boldness. But why we are considering it is the hurdle? Because we don't want to take a step, and that's why we are just cursing only to those problems whatever are coming in our way. But if we are bold, so definitely we will just get rid of this, and we will overcome those problems and hindrance. So first of all, I would like to suggest to all my learners friends that think about your biggest obstacles that you are facing most in your English speaking journey. So after getting your problem, it could be anything like fear and your nature, sometime introvert type of nature. So these natures is also just like a curse. And you know guys, I have faced a lot. If I share a little bit about my feeling, so in my initial day, when I started my journey, so I started my YouTube channel only for learning English and only for improving my English. But I have not only improved my English, apart from that I have improved my confidence level, I have improved my nature, like introversion. Just I have got rid of the introversion type of nature, and nowadays I can say like yes, I have become an extrovert person. Means whatever I want to share, I am able to share easily. And earlier I was having lots of things in my mind, but I was not share in front of anyone. So why? Just because of my nature, it's not because of English. So along with English, I have just improved lots of things inside me. So in the same way you can also do. But for it, firstly you have to just find out. Until you find out the obstacle, how can you work upon that, and how can you rectify that, how can you get rid of that? So your problem or obstacle could be anything like fear and your nature and your confidence level, lack of confidence, fear of judgment, introvert type of nature, lots of things could be there. And I know that there must be lots of things, lots of ideas, emotion, feeling inside you, in your brain, in your mind, and you want to share it in front of anyone, but you are struggling a lot. Why? It's because you are not practicing your English on daily basis. So my dear and lovely friends, just if you know about your problem very well, like what is your problem, what is your fear, so now what to do? Just take a step towards fear. If you really want to get rid and overcome your fear, so you have to face it by maintaining eye contact with your fear. So if you do this, if you face your fear confidently and boldly, so definitely your fear will be scaring of you. आपका डर आपसे डर रहा होगा, फ्यूचर में ऐसा दिन जरूर आएगा. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट do all this thing. And always remember one thing my dear friend, that the more you challenge yourself, the more you learn and the better you become. And the more you open your mouth for speaking, the more you go near to fluency, the more you reach your level of fluency. So just do all these things. First of all, if you are literally want to see a drastic and an authentic change in yourself, in your English. So you have to step out of your comfort zone, take a step towards English, and after taking a step you have to be regular, you have to be consistent, and you have to also make the resilient. That is important, that is crucial for learning anything. And that resilient in the sense like your perseverance and your determination, and perseverance, determination, consistency, all these things if you are having inside, and a burning desire, and you have to also just give fuel to your burning desire daily. Be bold and take a step towards English, and be fluent, and show the world that yes, you can speak fluently. And my dear and lovely friends, with this beautiful hope and thought, let me say bye, and keep smiling, keep learning English. You can see that it's getting dark at my place, but still I'm making video for you. Bye bye, take care.